before this next trick, what I do is I tell the person to name any card. The card they tell me, I have flip over in the box. So when we fan out the cards face up, the card that they told me just happens to be the only one that's face down in the deck. But since you're not here to tell me a card that you're thinking of, we'll pick one out of this deck. And we'll just maybe go with this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to have the ace of spade be flipped over in this deck. Right there. Okay, here we got a normal deck of cards. We'll pick one here, the Queen of Hearts. All these cards are face down. The Queen of Hearts is the only one face up. We'll put her in there like that. Bury the rest of the cards on top. Now when I fan the cards out, the only card face up should be the Queen of Hearts. Oh, the Joker. The Joker just stole the Queen of Hearts. Because if you look in here now, there's no Queen of Hearts left. The Joker stole the Queen of Hearts. All right, let's do another trick here. All right. Shuffle them up, and now we'll just cut to a card. Jack spades. Jack O spades. Yeah, Jack spades. All right, stay with me here. We'll just take a little bit and rub them on here like this. Now, I don't know about you, but that looks like a J. That looks like an S. Jack of spades. I don't know. You tell me what just happened here.